I'm a married man who is 26. I have one kid and 3 years, now with my wife and 22 years. Last year I had arguments with my wife, then I decided kubuda mumba. So ndakabva ndasangana this girl akamboshanda kumba kwa amai vangu and 22 years. Then we dated, not for too long, but we had sex, then she got pregnant for me. So kutori nemwana musikana ane about 6 months, but I haven't been sleeping with that lady for nearly a year because I don't feel like having sex with her when I see her. But kumba ndinotorara nemukadzi wangu zvakanaka. Now the challenge is that lady with my baby girl is threatening kuti, if you treat me bad, I'm going to tell your relatives or your wife, since I know everyone. Or I'm going to tell my parents or relatives so that vanondiperekedza kumba kwenyu. So ndiri kushaya kuti ndoita sei, nekuti vana ndinovada. I don't want to lose them, but vanochengetwa kunana mai vavo. Ndosara ndisina either both wives, but I don't want to marry 2 wives. Thanks to those vachabatsira kuti wondoita sei nayama dzangu.